This video is for educational purposes only. Do not use any tools and techniques shown here for illegal or unauthorized activities. The creator is not responsible for any misuse of the information provided. Phunter is an OSINT tool that extracts data from a phone number. It retrieves carrier, line type, and general location using public APIs. Identifying if a number is mobile, landline, or VoIP helps tailor OSINT investigations. Phunter can pinpoint the region where a number was registered. Always check what information a phone number reveals before sharing it. Use tools like Phunter to assess risk and protect your data. Use Ignorant to quickly check if phone numbers are real and pull basic metadata. Upload your list. Ignorant flags fake or disconnected numbers instantly. It shows you the number's validity, country, and sometimes the carrier. Use it to spot suspicious signups or patterns in your logs. Security auditors run Ignorant to see if apps leak phone number metadata. If leaks are found, patch them before launch. The first pass filter is a fast, practical step for privacy and defense. For corporate investigations, APIs like NumVerify are key. NumVerify validates numbers and returns carrier, line type, country, and city. Batch processing lets you profile thousands of numbers in seconds. Automate workflows by linking NumVerify with other tools for deeper insights. Map and geolocate corporate numbers to uncover patterns or risks. Train staff to treat phone numbers as sensitive data. Protect your organization. OpenCNAM reveals the registered name, person or business, linked to a phone number. It queries telecom databases in real time, adding context to every number. Caller ID can be manipulated. Don't trust it blindly. Always verify sensitive requests through trusted channels. Teles maps phone number prefixes to regions, revealing a general location, no GPS needed. Use non-geographic VoIP numbers and limit public directories to protect your location. Don't let your number give away your position. Telegram bots like BMI NP bot make OSINT even more accessible. This bot instantly identifies the current mobile operator for any number, even after porting. It's as easy as sending a text, no technical skills required. In training, it demonstrates how quickly attackers can learn your carrier. The risk? Attackers can craft convincing carrier-specific phishing messages in seconds. Defenders must show staff how simple these lookups are. Security isn't about complexity, it's about awareness. After a live demo, discuss how attackers might use this info. Teach employees to question why someone knows their carrier. Healthy skepticism is your best defense. Even basic tools can be powerful in the wrong hands. MNP Bot, another Telegram tool, adds regional intelligence. It reveals both the current operator and the state or region tied to a number. Attackers use this for hyper-targeted phishing. Think Verizon California customer alert. Defenders can map carrier distribution across offices, tailoring security training by region. Its actionable intel warned Texas staff about AT&T scams, Florida about T-Mobile and Verizon. MNP Bot also highlights risks from number portability, like SIM swapping. Show staff how attackers exploit public carrier info for port-out scams. The lesson: use strong pins and security questions with your carrier. Regional data makes attacks more convincing. Train accordingly. Stay vigilant about what your number reveals. LeakCheck Bot scans massive breach databases for your number. It tells you if your number appeared in past leaks, critical for risk assessment. Attackers use this info for credential stuffing or phishing with real breach context. Defenders audit exposure, mandate password resets, and provide targeted training. LeakCheck shows that your security depends on the whole internet, not just your company. Even if your systems are strong, third-party breaches can expose you. Use this tool to prioritize security efforts and compliance. It's a reminder, your number's history is public knowledge to attackers. Stay proactive, monitor for breaches, and act fast. Your digital past can be a weapon. Don't ignore it. InMob Prefix is a specialized tool for India, mapping mobile prefixes to states and carriers. With 22 telecom circles, this granularity is vital for local OSINT. Attackers use it to craft region-specific phishing, like Diwali offers for Vodafone users in Maharashtra. Defenders simulate these threats to train staff on hyperlocal scams. Security consultants use InMob Prefix to advise on region-specific risks and policies. The lesson: OSINT defense must adapt to local environments. Use region-specific training and controls for high-risk areas. Your number's prefix can reveal more than you think. Local knowledge is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Urbis is the ultimate reverse phone lookup, linking numbers to social media profiles. It scans the web to find names, photos, and public accounts tied to a number. For attackers, this is jackpot-level intel for spear phishing. In authorized tests, security teams use Urbis to show how easily profiles can be linked to work numbers. The result? Employees see firsthand how their digital footprint can be exploited. The key defense: never link corporate numbers to personal social media. Organizations should enforce strict policies on number use. Individuals should review privacy settings and use secondary numbers for non-essential services. Urbis proves that your number is a bridge to your entire online life. Guard it carefully. Attackers are always looking to cross that bridge. Protect your digital identity by installing security software and enabling privacy settings on all your devices. Regularly update your firewall and monitor your network for unusual activity. Only use security tools with explicit permission and in a legal environment. Stay safe by taking action. Your digital shield starts with you.